Hello everyone, this is Latha Akula. In this video we are going to study about another class, that is Reptilia. So this Reptilia is the second class present in the superclass Tetrapoda. We have seen this Reptilia. The name Reptilia, it is the meaning of this is reper or reptum means to crawl or creep. The animals which exhibits creeping or crawling movement have been included in this Reptilia, class Reptilia. And these are mostly terrestrial animals. Of course, there are some aquatic animals like crocodiles, poisonous sea snakes, turtles are also present, but most of these, majority of these animals are terrestrial in habitat. And the body is covered by dry, calcareous, cornified skin, and they consist of epidermal scales are skewed, and they do not have tympanum. We have studied in snakes, right? The tympanum, by means of which the sound will enter into the inner part of the ear. That tympanum is absent in these animals, and they have two pairs of limbs. Their front two pairs are called as forelimbs, and the back two pairs are the hind limbs, by means of which they can locomote. And the heart is a three-chambered heart. Here, in crocodiles it is a four-chambered, that is an exception. Here three-chambered means they consist of two auricles and one ventricle, whereas in crocodiles they have like apes and mammals, they exhibit a four-chambered heart which consists of two auricles and two ventricles. And these are the poikilothermous animals, that is, these are cold-blooded animals unable to control the body temperature according to the surrounding environment. And in this, snakes and lizards, they shed their scales like a skin cast. Here, to allow the growth in the younger animals, to allow the proper growth of the animal, the skin will be periodically shed off. That is called as skin casting. And these are dioecious animals. Dioecious means male animal is separate and female animals are separate. And in this, the internal fertilization takes place. That means fertilization occurs inside the body of the female, and after copulation, they lay eggs, oviparous. That means they lay eggs, and from those eggs, directly the young ones will come out instead of the larva stages. Hence, the development is direct development. Examples for these animals are Clone means commonly called as turtle. Testudo is commonly called as tortoise. Chameleon is commonly called as tree lizard. And Calotis, if you see this chameleon, these tree lizards, they change their color according to the surrounding environment to escape from the predators. It is just a defense mechanism. That process of changing their color according to the surrounding colors is called as camouflage. Camouflage is exhibited by these chameleons. These turtles, they are mainly presented, they prefer to live in water, and these tortoises, they prefer to live on the land. And this Calotis, it is commonly called as garden lizard. And Crocodilus, it is commonly called as crocodile. Alligator is alligator only. Hemidactylus, which we will see in our houses, that is wall lizard. Poisonous snakes like Naza is commonly called as cobra. Next, Bangaras is commonly called as crate. Vipera is commonly called as versus viper and viper. So these are the common characters exhibited by the Reptilia. We will revise them once again. What is the meaning of Reptilia? Means to creep or crawling animals are included in this Reptilia. They are mostly terrestrial. The majority of them are the terrestrial, and the body is covered by cornified epidermal scales, and they do not have any tympanum. That is, ear is absent. Two pairs of limbs are present there, forelimbs and hind limbs. The heart is three-chambered. Is two auricles and one ventricle is present. But in crocodile, there is a four-chambered heart like apes and mammals. These are poikilothermous animals, hence they cannot change their body temperature according to the surrounding environment. These snakes and lizards, they show skin casting to allow the growth of the young animals. And these are the dioecious animals, hence the males and females are separate. and the fertilization takes place inside the body of the animal. They used to lay eggs, hence they are oviparous. From the eggs directly the individual comes out, hence the development is direct without showing any larva stage. Examples are chelone. Chelone means commonly called as turtle. Testudo is commonly called as tortoise. Chameleon is called as tree lizard. Calochis is called as garden lizard. Crocodilus is called as crocodile. Alligator is called as alligator only. Hemidoctylus is commonly called as ball lizard. Poisonous snakes are also included in this. They are Naza, that is cobra. Vulgaris is commonly called as crate. Vipera. Vipera is commonly called as viper. In addition to the poisonous snakes, the non-poisonous snakes, the sea snakes are also included in this class Reptilia only. So with this we have completed the class Reptilia. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Latha Akula Biology Tutorial. Thank you.